So menu button is a part of the drop down list. Okay, so it is a part of the drop down list. Like we are having a different menu. We are creating a menu in the GUI application. So menu button is just like that. Okay, so now we have to create a menu button of it. Just a minute only. So how to create a menu? First, you write menu button. What is menu button? Menu button is used to create a menu in Python. It is the part of the drop down list. It is the part of the drop down list. Every menu button is associated with the menu widget. Then it contain the parameter. It contain the two parameter. One is master, another is option. Okay, so what is that menu button? Let's check. It is a program for menu button.
Sir, one is master and another is
Option.
okay, sir.
So we are using Kinter, tkinter. Label is suppose hello. Then suppose demo. Here message box is not used. I remove the message box. Okay, it is a menu option. When you click on it, it's saying you hello and demo. So what it is defined? It is defined here from Kinter import dot star, then import Kinter MB menu button text equals to the button name. Button name, suppose if I pass here greet. I pass here greet. Then here we're using a method that is called as the relief method. Okay, so what is the relief method, right? It select the three-dimensional border and shading effect. Relief gives an heading relief. It create three-dimensional border. It create a border. It create the three-dimensional border and shading effect. SHADING. Shading effect. Okay. So it create a border of the menu button. The MB dot grid method is used. Okay, so grid method basically it is working to add the component in a particular position. So that is for that we're using grid method. Okay, it is created geometry for adding the value. So right, grid method. This is a geometry manager. This is a geometry manager organizes widget. It is a geometry manager organizes the widget in a table-like structure. In a table-like structure. Then for adding a menu, we are using mb.menu, and in menu, we are using a menu classes. Object is your MB object for the menu button. Then here we are using another function that is called as the tier of 0. So tier of function is used to what, like you can say I mean the tier of 1 if I pass, then what is happening? So check here. Okay, see there. Tier of 1. If I use here tier of 2, so it is used here. It allow you to deattach the menu. Okay, so tier of it is basically it is used to deattach the menu. Okay, here we passing 1. It is deattach the menu. Just and I just close it. Then it is okay. Deattaching. For deattaching the menu, TRF is used. So always you have to use TRF 0. Then what happened? See the output. Okay. Now check. Okay.
The zero use करने तो
Zero is by default. So if I use ମୁଁ ଏବେ 1 ଯେତେବେଳେ ୟୁଜ କରାଉଛି ଦେଖ କ'ଣ ହଉଛି ସେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ପେସ୍ ନଉଛି ଏଠି
yes sir.
ଦେଖ ଗୋଟେ okay. So always so that you have to use a 0 here.
सर टीयर ऑफ टा यूज कौन पे होची
आमे जो मेनू टा यूज करूचे जो बटन टा में क्लिक करूचे क्लिक कला परे जो तळे जो एलिमेंट टा देखौची से एलिमेंट गुडा को देखिया पे हमें टीआरएफ यूज करियो बुझियला
यस सर यस
so write टीआरएफ then एटी रहला एमबी मेनू then mayo int var okay. So then we are using two variable. So here two variable you were using. One is suppose var1, another is var2. Okay. So when I run the file, this showing you एठी होची हमर variable define कराला variable रो पई किछि हमें यूज करने सपोज हमें फर्स्ट ऑप्शन जेता चूज करिवा तार ऑप्शन रो वैल्यू एठी स्टोर हो var1 var2 लेबल खाली दिया हला hello and var okay. So it is a menu button that we are using. Next program is inter message, the widget provide a multi-line and non-editable object that display the text automatically, breaking the line and justifying their content. Its functionality is very similar to the one provided by the label widget, except that it can also automatically wrap the text, maintaining a given width as aspect ratio. Right, I use kariba kinter message. So basically, it is used to providing the what message box. Okay, so right, what is kinter message? It is used to show the message okay, so how it is working, the message box that I will display here. Hmm. This one, we're using kinter message box. Tkinter import from tkinter import top. Only I pass here tk, then top dot geometry. So here I pass the height and width. Message box show info. Top dot main loop. Again, it is not working. Sorry. From import Kinter. No, cannot import a name message box from Kinter. From Kinter import star. Okay. No. Geometry. ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ୍ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହଉଛି ଏଇଠି ଆସିଗଲା okay, remove this from Kinter okay now check here ଏଠି ଆସିଲା କ'ଣ ନା ମେସେଜ ବକ୍ସ ଏଟା ହେଲା ଆମର ମେସେଜ ବକ୍ସ ଆସିଲା ଶୋ ଇନଫୋ ମାନେ ଇନଫରମେସନ ମେସେଜ ଶୋ କରିବ ତ ଏଟା ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ରନ୍ କରୁଛେ ଯେ ଇନଫରମେସନାଲ ମେସେଜ ବୁଝିଲା ମେସେଜ ବକ୍ସ ବୁଝିପାରିଲ हेलो हेलो
Yes, sir.
ଏବେ ଆମେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ୟୁଜ କରିବି ask okay cancel ask okay cancel see that information OK cancel. The OK cancel button show करो. बुझिला? मैं खाली एडी चेंज करे. It is a ask OK cancel. So similar way, ask retry and cancel. Information retry and cancel it is. Then next program, ask question. Okay, that is confirming the message. Yes and no. The ask question function. Then another program, so error. It's showing you information box. Okay, so these are all the message box that we are working. Okay, so in next class I will show you the radio button and rest of the program. Okay, so good night.
Good night, sir.